Today I want to show you how to quickly toggle through blend modes in Photoshop. So I'll go up and create a new document. I'll use the default web preset. 800 by 600 will work. And I'll place, I've got some images here. There's a brick background, and then I will place a spray paint layer that I have here. Alright, notice this spray paint layer, we've got all these splatters around the edge here. So if I do Command T, free transform, and hold down Shift Option on the Mac, not sure what it is on the PC, and zoom out here to where I have the spray paint all on the brick and not on the stone. So about right in there is good. Okay, so go over to my layers, my layer panel here, and if I choose the selection tool, there's many different ways to select this out. I've seen some folks will take the magic wand tool and they'll just select the green, and they'll maybe copy that and put it on another layer, and turn that layer off, and they'll create a new layer and they'll paste it, and you can get it on there that way. But if you go in and you look at the edges here, you got some pretty ugly jagged junk around the edge. So Command minus zoom out. We're not going to make a selection that way. Instead, we'll turn the layer back on, and then if we choose the selection tool, or V on the keyboard for the shortcut, hold down Shift and plus or minus, and we can quickly toggle through these blend modes here to see which one is the right blend mode to knock this black out and keep the green. So holding down Shift, press plus, that's the dissolve blend mode. There's the darken blend mode. There's the multiply blend mode. There's the color burn, the linear burn, the darker color. We've still got this black. We want to knock the black out and keep the green. So let's keep going. So there we get into this section of blend modes right here, and we're going to knock the black out and we're going to keep the green. So let's keep going. Shift plus again. There's the screen. Shift plus, that gives us the color dodge. There's the linear dodge add. There's the lighter color and the overlay. So you see these here knock the black out. These up through here keep the black. So now we're in overlay. Let's keep going. There's soft light. There's hard light. There's vivid light. There's linear light, pen light, hard mix, difference, exclusion, subtract, divide, hue, saturation, color, luminosity, and back to normal. So we know these right here, these blend modes, give us more of what we're looking for. So let's just toggle through these, find the one that kind of gives us the look we want. I think I'm going to go with that color dodge right there. Alright, then if we needed to maybe add a little darker look, we could always duplicate that layer, which that did not work at all. That don't look good. Let's change this back to, let's change that to screen, and let's duplicate that layer and see what we get. Kind of lightened it up. You know what we could do? We could make a selection with this magic wand tool, create a new layer, hold down Command, and we'll create a layer under that, and we'll fill it with our background color. I mean, that's our foreground color. Fill it with our background color, and we can always drop the opacity to darken that green up a bit, about 40%. That kind of looks a little better. Alright, well that's just a shortcut to show you how to quickly toggle through your blend modes using with the selection tool selected. Use Shift plus or minus to toggle through your blend modes. Hope that helps.